Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of my bundle summer card die set. They'll be featured on HSN on May 2nd. So let's take a look at what's included in the summer card die bundle set. We have a pineapple fold-along card, and if you're not familiar with a fold-along card, this is an extended card base that's in a unique pineapple shape, and it comes with a pop-out interactive label shape that's perfect for putting sentiments or stamp messages on. In addition to the pineapple fold-along card, we have two sets of phrases. Now these phrases are cursive font and they're all interactive, meaning there's a happy, a birthday, a mother's, a father's, a day. So in one set you have the option to say 4 or 5 different phrases. This one comes with the phrases thinking, thank you, love you, just for you. Again, a ton of options all included in one die set. And all of these phrases do fit perfectly on the label shape included with your fold-along card. So it's a great card making set. Let's take a look at some of the projects that you can make with this bundle. So here we can see we use the phrase thank you, and this is the cute little flamingo that comes as a bonus icon with all those sentiments. These are the leaves. We actually took these from the happy birthday set. Here we have thinking of you, again with the flamingos. This is actually the pineapple used from the fold-along card. So we've just sliced off the edges and put those together to give yourself a pineapple icon card base. And I love this one. This is the happy birthday from the sentiments and the bonus pineapple and flower shapes included with those sentiments. So again, a great system for making cards all year round. Please join us on HSN on May 2nd.